Hi everyone, I wish you all a beautiful new year. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. Today we will be working on a floral and embellished heart wreath. Okay, so for this project you will need one heart-shaped grapevine wreath. I'm using a 12-inch wreath. You'll also need some faux greenery along with wire. You'll also need some floral cutters, faux flowers, and embellishments of your choice. I'm using a birdhouse, and I'm also using a section of burlap ribbon, and you'll also need some hot glue. Okay, so first you're going to start by adding your faux greenery to the wreath using the wire. The wire is optional. I like to use it to secure the flowers in place once I have added the greenery to my wreath, but like I said, it is optional. So what you're going to do is you're going to use floral or wire cutters to cut sections of the wire to add around the greenery. Once you have added your greenery and your wire to the wreath, you're going to twist off the wire, and this will make sure that it is secure around the greenery and the wreath. Next, we're going to add the faux flowers. I found these pretty faux flowers at my local Michael's store. So what we're going to do is repeat the same process as we did when adding the greenery and the wire. So you're going to cut your faux flowers if needed, and then you'll add those to your wreath using the wire. I decided to add my birdhouse embellishment to the wreath. So what I'm doing here is I'm just using some hot glue to attach the birdhouse to the burlap ribbon section. Okay, so before adding the ribbon with the birdhouse to the wreath, I decided to take two sections of wire, cut them and insert them at each end of the ribbon, and then I decided to twist it off in the back of the wreath. And the reason for this is so that I'm able to remove the decoration if needed. You could easily attach your embellishment with glue or hot glue, any adhesive like E6000, but I did this because I like to reuse my wreaths and redecorate them, so this is a great option if you're wanting to do that. Once you have added your embellishments, your wreath is complete and ready to be displayed. Thank you for joining me in decorating this wreath. I'll see you soon.